Ducks have always occupied a special place in the imagination of men. They live in wetlands, eat underwater weeds and floating seeds, and they are social animals preferring to congregate and travel in groups. They nest and breed in cold polar regions during spring, upbring their chicks in summer, and migrate long distances to spend winter in warm regions of the world. At the onset of autumn, migratory ducks start preparation for their journey. They eat too much to get hefty, and with the first snowfall, they finally beat their wings to leave the breeding grounds in north, travel thousands of miles, and reach wintering abodes in south. Lung Lake in Larkana district is one of the most important wetlands in Sindh that hosts a wide variety of migratory birds in large numbers during winter. It is a wildlife sanctuary wonderfully maintained by Sindh Wildlife Department. The lake is spread over 47 acres with a perimeter of 2.5 kilometers. Strict control over hunting and netting in the area and proper habitat management have made this lake an ultimate refuge for migratory waterfowls. Migratory ducks that are found in abundance on Lung Lake are mallards, shovelers, pintails, and the green-winged teals. Other species like gadwalls, garganys, widgeons, and pochards can also be seen floating here and there. A large number of marble teals have also been seen on Lung Lake this winter.
This is my first visit to the Lung Lake, and before that I have been visiting almost every wetland of the Sindh. But the variety and congregation of migratory birds, especially of waterfowls, at this lake is really stunning. I have never seen such a huge gathering anywhere else, and I really appreciate Sindh Wildlife Department the way they are maintaining this beautiful sanctuary.
In most of the duck species, male is richly colorful, whereas the female is dullish brown. After molting season, male loses finery and goes into eclipse plumage and appears molted brown. Ducks are very shy and vigilant birds. They prefer to sit in hideouts and quickly fly away if they feel something strange around. During the day hours, ducks seem relatively inactive and are found sleeping silently with their necks folded in their wings. As the sun downs a little, they turn frisky and vocal. In addition to duck species, a large number of other water birds also migrate in and can be seen around during cold months. Eurasian coots are also social birds that live and travel in large flocks. They can be seen floating widely among ducks and other birds on Lung Lake. Egrets and cormorants are also friendly birds that are usually found congregated on islands and small trees in the wetlands. Grey heron also takes higher position on trees and wades in small water to catch fish. Migratory birds add color and music to the wild. Wildlife explorers, bird watchers, and photographers avail this opportunity of having winter guests at home. They spend weekends holding their binocular and camera, busy in watching and photographing these amazing creatures during the season. Research has revealed that once a bird finds a peaceful environment and suitable habitat anywhere in warm region, it returns to the same in the next migration, usually with its next generation. Lung Lake is an ultimate rest place for these beautiful winter guests, and The team of the Sindh Wildlife Department is much admired for upholding this amazing wetland with great devotion and commitment for the last 40 years.